Hello everyone, this is Ali Fraz here and you're watching Tech by Ali. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can easily remove the green screen of a video by using Filmora editor. So let's get started. First, you will have to open Filmora editor in your desktop computer or laptop. After this, you have to click on this import media files here button and select the file where you want to insert the green screen video. So for example, I want to select this video and then click on open button. You have to see the file is in the Filmora editor and then you have to drag this file in the queue. Okay, you have to see the file is in the queue and then you have to right click on this place and import the green screen video. So I want to select my green screen video from this place. Yes, this is my green screen video, and then click on open button. You have to see my green screen video is also in the Filmora editor. Now I also drag it to that queue. Okay, you have to see there is a green screen all around. And now how you can easily remove this green screen by using Filmora editor. You have to right click on this layer and click on green screen. You have to see the green screen is removed. If the green screen is not removed, then you have to click on this color picker tool and plus sign is here, and then you have to click anywhere in your green screen video. So you have to see the green screen video is now removed easily, and then you have to click on OK, and now you have to play your file. So through you can easily remove the green screen video by using Filmora editor in 1 minute. If this video is very helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and also like my video. Thank you very much.